Hi, I'm ST Billingsley from HomeTowne Auto Repair Tire. Some people always ask us, what makes your shop a little bit different from, say, all the other ones that are out there? We are a locally owned and operated automotive repair shop. One of the things that we worked very hard to do, make sure that we offer health care, that we actually pay for it for the individual employees, that way everybody has a chance to be covered, so it's not actually coming out of their paycheck. Offered a good wage. Also training. Training is a big thing that we want to make sure that we have available, so as technology gets a little bit more complicated, we're actually staying ahead of those. We're actually able to offer a good service to the consumer. Women coming into this industry still do have a little bit of a hard time, and we've actually gotten calls from some of the automotive teachers asking us if we would take them on board to give them a chance, and we do. Every woman that we've had come in here trying to get a foothold in this business have actually gone on to bigger parts of their career, where they've ended up going back to school or actually going to a different part of the industry. They've actually been able to find their way. We also believe in supporting our community, and not only just supporting our community such as making a donation. One of the things that we do is actually help fund What's Up Prince William, which is WPW.news, and through that we're really able to do $40 to $60 some of these $1,000 worth of nonprofit support coverage, helping them with their fundraisers, and it really helps keep the community connected, but also is a way for those nonprofits to actually get the word about all the good that they're doing in the community. We have people that have been coming for many years now. Their kids are starting to drive, and their kids are bringing their cars here. That's what we really care about. Is we want to do a great job, and we want people to actually, be able to trust us and rely on us to keep their family safe on the road.